'Di ba, na 'di bale nang hindi kumita ng gano'n, at least hindi ako nai-stress na 'pag nagfa-file ng income tax, magugulat ako may babayaran akong ganitong kalaki, mag-o-owing, 'di ba? So, ganito po talaga dito sa Canada. Talagang todo bayad talaga sa mga income tax, and hindi talaga, kaya ako ay hindi rin fan ng second jobs kasi I feel like the effort that kanya-kanya tayo ng ano, guys ha. So, I fully respect and salute the people who have second, third jobs, fourth jobs. It's just my personal na parang sayang naman yung effort ko for the second job if ano, a great portion of it will just go to the taxes kasi tumataas yung bracket, so tumataas din yung tax, 'di ba? So, anyway, again, case to case basis, it really depends on your perspective, and again, it's probably just me being tamad, no? Baka ako lang naman yun. Baka tamad lang talaga ako magtrabaho. But, yun. So, depende sa inyo kung bet nyo ng second, third job.